everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making quick coconut chicken curry. What all goes into the quick coconut chicken curry? 2 tablespoons olive oil or ghee. I have ghee. 1 onion, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic. I'm cheating. I have already minced garlic. 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, or you can use chicken breasts. 2 tablespoons curry powder, mild or medium, depends on your preference. I have my homemade curry powder. I'll leave the link to that video down below as well as the recipe. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt flakes. I couldn't find any flakes, so I'm just going to grind some up. 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 cup chicken stock, 1 14 fluid ounce can of coconut milk. This is 13.5 ounces. 1 teaspoon sugar, and 2 tablespoons freshly chopped coriander or cilantro. This is optional. I have cilantro. And you can serve it with steamed basmati rice. And I've got the microwavable stuff, naan bread, plain Greek yogurt, mango, chutney, and chopped cilantro. And that's mix match, optional on any of that. So let's begin. Take a large deep frying pan. Over medium heat, take 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. And I have ghee. Never used ghee before, but I wanted it to be a little bit more authentic. So dump in your diced onion, 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic, and the 1 tablespoon of fresh minced ginger. And cook that until softened, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your 1 pound cube size of your chicken thighs and cook that, stirring occasionally, 3 to 4 minutes until it is brown on all sides. All right, so the chicken pieces are colored. They are not pink anymore. Then take your 2 tablespoons of curry powder, mild or medium. This is homemade. I have no idea how strong it is. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt flake. I just ground up some Mediterranean sea salt. Then add your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Your 1 cup of chicken stock. Your 1 can of coconut milk. You may see the coconut milk separate, and that's okay. That's what you want it to do. Why, I don't know, but that's what it says. And your 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring your mixture to a simmer, cook uncovered, stirring occasionally 10 to 12 minutes or until chicken is cooked through and sauce has thickened. Then add your 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. I just roughly chopped mine. Stir them through. And then get ready to dish up. So here is the quick coconut chicken curry. Rounding out the meal is naan. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Trying to decide if it's spicy or not. Huh. Well, it's like it is, and then it's like it's not. And I mean, this is just the bread.
That's a naan.
A what?
Naan.
It's a non bread.
Or some people call it naan.
Nan?
Yeah, English version is naan, I guess, and
Non-nan bread?
something like that.
Am I supposed to make a sandwich with it or just...
If you want to, you know, it does, I don't know, just said to serve it with that. So
Okay.
that is quick coconut chicken curry.
So there's a little...
There's a little bit of spice, and the curry powder that's in there is homemade. I made the curry powder, so.
Well, I don't like super hot stuff, and it's not overbearing. Like I said, it's like it is, but it's not. It's a good mix. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.